Adding links to your email will enable your recipients to quickly access websites or email addresses directly from your email. See how to add links with IBM Verse. So from my email that I've already composed here below, I would like to add a link. So to add a link, I'm simply going to select the section of my email where I'd like to add my link. So I'm going to select my company name, and then I'm going to put a space so I can insert my link just after the company name. Once I've selected the space, I'm going to go up to the website that I'd like to insert, so I'm simply going to select the Open tab here. And then at the top, I'm simply going to select the address bar. And then once I see that the address bar is selected, I could simply go over the address and right-click with my mouse, or I could simply select Control and the letter C, or copy in this menu. Once I've copied the link, I could simply go back to my email here, and then I can go to the bottom and I could either right-click with my mouse and select Paste, or select Control and the letter V on my keyboard. So I could see that the link has been inserted. But having the complete web address within my email doesn't look very visually appealing. So if I'd like to add this link to a piece of text rather than the complete address, I'm simply going to delete the link by selecting backspace on my keyboard here. And then I'm going to add the link to my company name itself. So to do that, I'm simply going to select the text by holding down my mouse and going over the text. And then once I've selected the text, I'm going to go up to the top left-hand side here and select my formatting toolbar. Once my formatting toolbar is open, I'm going to go to the right side of the toolbar and select the link icon found here. Once this menu appears, I could simply go to the top and paste in my URL. So I can either right-click and select Paste, or I can select Control and the letter V to paste my link. Just below, I can see that the text that the link is attached to, which is the text I just highlighted within my email. If I'd like to have this link open in a new window when the user selects the link, I can simply select that box here just below. Once I've selected all of my link options, I can simply select OK in the bottom right-hand corner. So if I select outside my text, I can see that my text is now blue, and if I go over it with my mouse, an underline will appear, which notifies the recipient that this is a link and they can select it to open it. If I'd like to add an email address to one of the users mentioned in this email, for example, John Smith, I could simply select his name, and then I can go up to the top here and select the link icon. Within the link menu, I'm simply going to select a URL, and instead of writing in a web address, I'm going to simply type in mail to. So I'm going to type it all together with no spaces, and then I'm going to add a colon. After the colon, I'm not going to add a space, I'm simply going to write in the complete email address of this user. Once I've selected